I'm Bryan Schimke, TPJ Customs from Reno, Nevada. The platform I started with this build was a 2003 anniversary twin cam motor. I want something different, something that people aren't doing, all the time. Yes, there's different versions of it out there, but something that I like, something I can get on and ride through the twisties, take long trips on, throw a bag on the back and just take off. So I love the Ducati Scrambler. It's one of the best production motorcycles I've ever ridden. I ride it for days on end when I go up and visit my buddy, and I wanted a version, my version of that. Not the exact same thing. I love the V-twin power, obviously, so I wanted something I can get on and hit the twisties, go down a dirt road if I need to, but still has the same stuff that we're doing on all the other bikes. Same features and everything as we do on a rigid, but something else to have fun on. Challenges are always the geometry, getting the chassis set up right so everything handles. I mean, obviously as well as I do, you can make something look good, but does it handle? And so always setting the chassis up is the biggest part. Just every little piece, you know what I mean? Because every little piece is thought out and made. It's not like there was nothing just pulled off the shelf. Those are always the challenges, but it's fun challenges, because that's why we do what we do, I think. The frame and the swing arm alone, just sitting there by itself, I love looking at that. I still look back at the frame jig, pictures and stuff like that. It just has exactly the way I wanted it. I drew a picture and then I was able to make that picture. And that's very rare because there's so many different complications and bends and the way the metal works versus your drawing. So I think the chassis that's the one I'm the most proud of. All the other pieces are hard in their own way, but they kind of fall together as the chassis goes.